Welcome back to the MS Project 2010 video tutorial series by GROOKnet. In lesson 6.2, we see how to draw on a Gantt chart. So first, we see how to add arrows, then how to add shapes, and how to add a text box. For this tutorial, you can use the sample project prepared at the end of lesson 6.1, available on GROOKnet. Now coming back to the project plan, we are going to add the drawing on this Gantt chart view. For that, we can click the Format tab. On the right side, we will see that there is a command for drawing. Let's click that. The first option shows an arrow. To create an arrow, simply click on the arrow command and click and drag in the direction you want. On right clicking, you can go to Properties, and with this you can change the color of the arrow if you want. You can also drag the end points of the arrow to edit it. When you hold in front of the arrow and near the cursor there is a 4 arrow sign, you can click and move the arrow as well. And you can use the delete button to delete the arrow. Let us click drawing again. There are a number of shapes that we can create, like arc, oval, polygon and rectangle. Let us see each one of them. If you want to draw an arc, you click on the arc command and then you click and drag. Same way for an oval, click oval and click and drag. For making a polygon, you can click all the points of the polygon that you want in whichever shape you want. To make a rectangle, you can again click and drag. To format all these shapes, the procedure is the same. You can right click, go to Properties. In the line, we can specify what color we want the border line to be. If we don't want a border line, we can make it none. Then we can also use the fill. For example, if we give none as the fill, then it will be transparent. Let us make a transparent fill and let us make a colored border. So it comes like this. You can again click and drag to change the size of the rectangle. In a similar way, we can enter a text box by going to Drawing and Text Box. So we can click and drag a text box, and here we can add the text we want. For example, group drawing. When we go back to the drawing command, we can click on Edit Points. Then whatever icon we click, we can pull and individually change the shape of the polygon. So to summarize, we have seen how to add arrows, how to add shapes, and how to add a text box. A sample of the project plan completed up to this stage is available on GROOKnet. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial. In the next part of the video tutorial series, we see how to format text in a view.